My name's Simon Ritchie, and we're here at Baldwin Filters today, and we're going to be talking about two new lube spin-on filters for our product lineup. First is the B40142 for your Cummins ISL 9 engines. Second is the B40145 for your Cummins X15 and X12 engines. To do that, I have Skylar here, who's the product design engineer for the B40142. So Skylar, tell us a little bit more about your B40142.
Our newly developed B40142 features our proprietary helm media.
So what makes our helm media so special?
Our media allows our filter to have increased air holding capacity and efficiency, as well as reduced initial restriction.
So what other advantages does the B40142 have?
We set out to design a stronger filter, so the B40142 has superior structural performance in all industry standard testing.
That's awesome. So not only does it perform better, but it's also stronger. And when you pair this with the BF63000, it provides superior filtration coverage for your Cummins ISL 9 engines. So now we're going to talk about our B40145 filter, which is a lube spin-on for the Cummins X12 and X15 newer generation engines. We have the product design engineer here that came up with this design. Brian, can you tell us a little bit about your filter?
Sure. We started with the BD50000 filter using its proprietary helm media. We kept its same superior filtration efficiency. Then we added additional dust handling capacity to it.
What other advantages does it have?
Well, we also gave it a premium gasket to ensure a longer trouble-free service life. The gasket is more heat resistant and more chemical resistant than your typical gasket.
And how does it perform against the competition?
Well, structurally, it's superior to the competition. It has 80% higher burst. It has twice as much fatigue life, and it has a much higher element collapse pressure than the competitor. This is all proven through industry standard testing.
Awesome. So with these longer service cycles, you have better performance and it's structurally stronger than the competition. Let's go put one on a truck.
Simon Ritchie here, guys. Today we are going to be changing the lube filter on a 15-liter Cummins engine, and we're going to do that with our new B40145, which is an upgrade to the BD50000. So first we're going to spin off the old BD50000 that's on this truck. Get her loose. Take the protected plastic off and pre-lube the gasket with clean oil. Remembering to get the O-ring for the center post. So now we're going to spin this filter on, and as we're doing that, you're going to go hand tight or till the gasket makes contact with the header. And a little pro tip is to make sure we're getting our 3/4 of a turn past hand tight. I'll take and make a mark on the filter with a marker. That way I can roughly see where my 3/4 of a turn lands. Right about there. And that's a filter change on an X15 Cummins engine.